Reviewing student attempts. Some ePACE activities require supervisor scoring, since the answers are subjective and cannot be auto-scored. In this case, the supervisor will receive a notification with a link to begin scoring. This link leads to the review page for the student's attempt, where you can award points or make helpful comments to guide the student. Sometimes you may wish to review a student attempt to ensure that auto-scoring is accurate. If the student did not answer a question with 100% accuracy, you can manually review the answer and award points if desired. To begin a manual review, click on ePACE Progress on the dashboard. Then click on the eye icon to view the student's currently assigned ePACEs and progress. Note that only the supervisor that assigned the ePACE to the student can review that student's attempts. The blue blocks on the progress bar represent sections of the ePACE that have not been completed with a score of 100%. The green blocks represent sections of the ePACE that have been completed with all answers correct. Clicking on a block directs you to a page where you can review the student attempt or multiple attempts for that section. Attempts are sorted from oldest to newest, with the most recent attempt at the bottom. Select the student's most recent attempt to score. Only the score for the most recent attempt is used to determine the completion status of that part of the ePACE. Changes made to older attempts do not affect final scoring and completion status. This page lets you review the student's individual answers. The numbers on the navigation bar at the top of the page represent the activity numbers. Numbers in green represent activities with correct answers. Yellow indicates the answer is partially correct. Red indicates the answer is incorrect. A number in blue or gray indicates the activity is not yet graded and needs supervisor scoring. Click on the number that represents the activity you would like to review. This scrolls the view down the page to the question itself. You can compare the student's answers against the correct answers by hovering over the student's answers. A red X indicates the answer is incorrect. A red circle indicates the answer was wrong, but the student corrected it from a previous attempt. To quickly give full points, click Award Full Points. You can also click on Make Comment or Override Points, which opens a pop-up window where you can add comments or specify the points awarded. Be sure to click the Save button so that the changes take effect. For tests, other options are available. For more information on these options, please refer to the resource on Post-Test Reviews.